So today we are going to the dunes.
Yes.
And should be interesting.
Yay, Mommy!
Yay, Mommy! We have both the kids. So he's gonna be on Bryn duty. I'm gonna be on baby duty.
The baby's 1 month old, about 1 month and a couple days.
So it should be interesting. I'm going in with low expectations. But it's gonna be fine, right? It's gonna be fine.
It'll be fine.
We're heading to... Maybe. It might be fine. We're heading to the gas station right now to get ice and Dunkin fuel for us. Need that coffee.
Yeah, you actually need
This is why we rarely get coffee outside of the house. You want to see yourself?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. There she is.
Daddy, Mommy, Daddy.
Daddy, Mommy.
Daddy, Mommy.
The line for Dunkin is so long. I just want to go. But I need food. You saying hi?
There's no getting out now.
Hi, baby. Hi, what?
Buyos? Let's get that ordered. Okay, what do you want? My jam.
What are you saying?
Mommy, Daddy, Mommy.
Yeah, every time you see us. Yeah. Yeah.
Mommy, Daddy, Mommy.
All right, we're
Daddy,
waiting in line
Mommy,
to
Daddy,
pay for
Mommy,
parking.
Daddy.
Then we're gonna go in. We ate way too many
The
donuts.
baby's making noise.
Uh-oh.
Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy.
Uh-oh.
Hold on, Hayden.
Yes, Mommy.
Say, hold on, Hayden.
Do you want to feed her here?
Yeah, I probably will. I'll nurse her in here and then while you load up the stroller. Sounds good to me. Hold on, Hayden. Say, it's okay, sissy.
We can bring a commercial bus for $30 a car.
Oh,
Oh, great.
that's nice.
That's super nice. I'm glad I know that now.
Go, sissy, go, sissy, go. Go, sissy, go, sissy, go.
Oh, we should have brought my parents. Seniors. $3.
I hope they watch this.
I feel like you guys have not seen her in a
Oh,
while.
I know. She's gonna look way
And
different.
she's a demon now.
No, she's not. She's a giant. She's not. She'll be 2 in September. So when you see her later on, you'll see how big she is. She does not look like a 2-year-old. She looks like a 3-year-old. She's giant. Okay, we gotta pay. Boy, stairs? Oh, okay, good. There's a ramp. What you doing, Bryn?
Ready? Here we go. Okay, ready? Hold on. Wiggle your toes. Here you are. Wiggle again. Wiggle your toes. Wiggle your toes. Ready? You gonna bury him again?
Definitely looks like rain. But we're having fun.
She's probably getting sand all in her mouth.
Yeah, right? Just been sleeping.
Hi, Bryn. Are you playing? Yeah. Are you smiling?
I'm cheesing hard here, babe. I'm cheesing hard.
Cheesing hard. Oh, jeez. Yeah, Bryn loves the sand, hates the water. Whoa. Bryn, no, Bryn. Loves the sand, hates the water.
The waves might be too loud.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm not too worried about it.
Look at her back there.
How cold.
You know, stinker. She's tired. She had so much fun. It was a fun day.
Yes, it was. Nice and easy.
Yeah. We got there early enough where it wasn't too busy. So we got like a really good spot. Coming out, there were so many people coming in. And the parking lot was like full when we were leaving. It was pretty empty when we came, so we went at a good time.
We'll do it again.
It was a good time.
Wouldn't change a thing. 3 out of 5 stars.
We brought both. So we have a stroller that goes with like the car seat, like a travel system, and then we had bought from a garage sale a double stroller. And we brought both
$5.
$5 for
A double stroller.
like a $400 stroller.
Sweet.
That's a great deal. But we brought both the strollers in, and trying to get them through the sand was comical. You did a good job.
She's out cold.
I know. Oh, poor baby.
So after we were coming home from the beach today, we decided to stop at Cabela's and look at the stuffed animals. Well, not stuffed animals, but
It makes it sound so like
what are
tame.
they? Taxidermy animals?
Yeah.
Stuff with Bryn?
Like there's the giant elephant.
Which is terrible when we get that.
It says something about how
Yeah,
they got it too. Yeah, somebody donated it. But Bryn got to see what an elephant looks like in real life. Yeah.
We'll have to go to the zoo one day.
Yeah. And then she can see it moving too. Oh my gosh. But now we're headed to a brewery. Joe's parents are watching the girls. So we get a little night out, which we haven't had in a while. It's been a while. Even before Hayden was born. So we're excited.
Hi. Just grab this shuffle.
We got a thing of dots, and they're the best things since sliced bread. They're better.
They're especially good with beer.
Yes. If you've never tried dots, you should try dots, because they're delicious. We just got out of the brewery. I'm eating munchkins from this morning.
And now we're going to Hollywood Casino.
We're gonna go gamble. Because we can.
Because scared money don't make no money. Oh shit.
Ah!
It's closed.
What? Wait, no, there's stuff over
There's
there.
more ATMs.
We gotta get money. Yeah, there's a car there. You're good.
Yeah, no, that one was closed for sure.
Okay, we're gonna get money.
For a show.
So we just got finished getting money, but the guy in front of us took for freaking ever.
His receipt came out, and he took another 60 seconds
It was
in
more
his
than
car.
that.
Well,
It had to be more than
I
that.
bet you it just felt like more.
Because we were already mad.
Because we're already mad because he took about 35 minutes at the freaking ATM.
Like, I don't understand why it takes so long. Like,
We were in and out in like 5 minutes.
yeah.
Or less.
Like, usually if you go to an ATM, you know what you're getting,
You put
right?
your card in, you push get cash, you type in your code, you push get cash, you put in how much the money is, and then you know what I mean?
Right. So usually, like, you already know what you want. So why does it take so long? Like, I don't know.
Pet peeves, man.
Pet peeves. Gotta love them. But we got our money. We're gonna go lose it. I mean, Win more.
We're gonna triple it up. What are you talking about? Scare money don't make no money. You remember that. Heather lost all my money.
I didn't even play.
What do you mean you lost all my money?
I didn't lose shit. I didn't even play.
Yeah, it was expensive.
It was.
$15
So, we play craps whenever we go to the casino, or blackjack.
Blackjack or
But
roulette. Or
blackjack was what, like $25
or
blackjack?
3-card poker in Vegas. Too.
We're cheap. We want $5 tables.
We want $5 table. Even though I might bet, I might have like 100. If I'm drunk enough, $200 on the table.
Especially blackjack.
What?
Especially blackjack if you're
no,
drunk.
I was thinking craps at like Ellis Island in Vegas.
Yeah. No, that's true. But yeah, they were like, craps table was $15, everything else was like $25. And I was like, eh. Overall, a good night.
Overall, a good night. A good day.
Yeah, it was a good day.
A lot today.
We did do a lot.
So, it'll be a single day vlog.
Single day vlog.
Sound close to me. Single day vlog.
I need something to. I wonder if it'll just stay.
You can't get that tall.
I could do this.
Yeah.
Hold it like this.
You can do that. Yeah, like single day vlog. We'll just do a day in the life type deal. Even though this day in the life is like our busiest day in the life.
Yeah, yesterday we did absolutely nothing. Like literally nothing.
And today we lost a lot of money.
Yeah. Whoops.
Bridge don't collapse, and we made it.
If you live in Illinois, can you guess what bridge we're driving on?
$5. No, I'm not giving anyone $5.
On the
I think the
bumpiest
bumps,
road ever.
the bumps
Yeah.
might give you more of a hint than the actual bridge.
Right?
Out there. So I'm a big Time Suck fan, and there's this guy. Well, they always talk about Triple M, Michael McDonald, Michael MF and McDonald, and because I'm not gonna swear, and he did a Folgers commercial. You should YouTube the Michael McDonald Folgers commercial because
You don't have to.
it's ridiculous. It's ridiculous.
It won't add value to your life.
It's ridiculous. And I'm sure in future videos I'm going to be singing that song in Michael McDonald fashion. So, I heard it through the grapevine. I'm going to leave it at that. I don't want to go too far. The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. Just the two of us.
We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. You and I.
You and I, baby. I wish Michael McDonald would remake that song. Just the two of
God.
us. We can make it if we try.
You're ridiculous.
It's kind of dark.
That's dark.
Oh, look at me. I'm
We should have
pretty.
done that the whole
Oh my
time.
God. I'm dead sexy.
Dang. We're still learning, guys.
I'll leave it off. Hey.
Hey,
It's like we got a ring light in here all of a sudden. Yeah, no, nothing's really been happening, guys. Anyone who's wondering I wonder. Nobody. But, I wonder what Joe and Heather are up to. Nothing.
Pretty much.
We've done,
I had a baby.
yeah, we had, I mean, that's like,
That's the news.
peanuts, yeah. And everyone knows that already. So we've just been sitting at home,
Hanging out.
getting older, hanging out, down the street. The same old thing we did last week. There's not a thing to do, just to talk to you. But we're all alright. We're all alright. Hello, Wisconsin. Did it take you a while to pick up what I was
Yes, it
doing?
did. I was like, wait, what is he?
I don't even know if I hit all the words right because I apparently sing every song wrong.
No, you didn't.
We're all alright! I'm done. I'm not a good singer.
Here you are.
Oh, thanks, babe.
I'm a better singer.
Don't give me a big head because I'll start singing all the time.
You already do, so it's not going to change anything.
Never gonna give you
Oh,
up.
God.
Never gonna let
On
you
that note,
down.
we'll see you guys
Never
later.
gonna something.
Subscribe
or
if you're
hurt
new.
you.